Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's one of those days every month in which the USDA comes out with numbers that could move the markets one way or the other. This USDA report day, they're going to come out with their first official estimate of US 20 summer crop numbers. Now, this survey is based on only a farmer survey. It'll be September before they come out with some field surveys. And so the market is anticipating that they'll raise the corn and soybean crop numbers. Globally, we'll be watching pretty closely to see what they do to the world wheat numbers. There is talk of higher Russia, higher Canada, higher Australia numbers that could offset maybe further declines in Europe. And we'll also be watching the demand numbers for 2021. USDA's got some big increases in demand for 2021 here in the US. And right now there's some people that debate that we may not see that much of an increase. We note that China continues to buy US new crop soybeans, but we also note that a higher crop means that the carryout's going to go up. So bottom line is these numbers should be a little negative to prices. The question is, are they already factored into today's prices with corn and wheat near contract lows and beans breaking down from below some important support levels that we developed since the May lows? So in general, we'll be looking for a little bit of, let's see if we have a negative reaction to the numbers, and then maybe some short covering into the close. Sell the rumor, buy the fact type thing. Also, we have to try to figure out the damage that was done to the Iowa corn crop with this storm that went through. Some people estimating as much as 10 million corn acres out of the 13.5 that they planted may have been damaged. Some of that corn was ready to be harvested as early as September 1. Some people are talking about a 60 to 80 million bushel drop in their crop, but it could be more. But it certainly is devastating for the farmers there. There was also some infrastructure damage that was done that would probably store some of this big crop that they were about ready to harvest. U.S. weather looks drier for much of the Midwest, and next week looks cooler. So it's hard to make up some kind of outlook in which it could be bullish for prices of lower supplies. This type of weather probably is only going to add to the U.S. supply. We also have August 15th trade talks from the U.S. and China. The relation between U.S. and China is probably at an all-time low. But China continues to talk about they're going to buy U.S. ag goods, but they did yesterday come out and say they're not going to import any U.S. ethanol, even though U.S. ethanol prices are low, and even though they could probably use it to blend into their gasoline. Finally, we'll just be kind of watching all the politics that goes on in Washington concerning the elections that are coming ahead, and also any new stimulus deal to help people in need because of the virus, and any payouts that might be in addition to what farmers have already received to date. So at 11 o'clock, we'll come out with another video saying what the USDA said, and also the market impact and what we see down the road as far as prices are concerned. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, changing tomorrow starts today.